Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we will talk about how to use Google Gemini for quick answers. Whether your questions are about study or you are a freelancer and you don't know how to write a proposal, even if you are a YouTuber, with the help of a Gemini you can get answer of your question because Gemini is all-in-one AI. It is developed by the Google. Gemini is pretty much fast. So in order to get access, open your browser and in the search bar simply search for Gemini. Once you will search for it, on the top, you will see the official website of Gemini. Click on it and get access of Gemini. Here, the first thing you have to do is sign in with your Google account. If you want to use Google Gemini, if you take a look on the right top, you will see My Account, which is already signing. If you do not sign in your account, then sign in your account. And this one is the first interface which you will see after getting access of Google Gemini. As I said, Google Gemini is all-in-one tool. You can ask a question about your study, about your freelancer career, or even about your YouTube. The first question I will write. That will be about my study. I want to know about atomic and about the atomic structure. So let me write. After writing, I will click on this arrow to submit my question, then wait for the Gemini to give me the answer. And here you can see, as I said, its response time is pretty much faster. And below you will see each and single detail about atomic. Now, if you are a freelancer and you don't know how to write proposal, if a client posts a job, then what you have to do, simply enter the job post title and then ask to Gemini to write a brief proposal for your client, just like I will write and will ask to write a short proposal. I need to write my client name and below it will express my services. Now, if you are a YouTuber and you want Gemini to write a video script, then here enter the title of your video and ask to Gemini to write a brief script on your video title. And these were the method by which you can use Gemini for yourself. And that's it.